Hirevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com.
Alright guys, so this is our first time cranking it in a few days, and I'll take it down the road and show you some of that now. Let's see how easy it wants to crank up for us. Pump it a couple times. Alright guys, so got the car warming up a little bit now and fired up good. So about to take her down the road, see how it does. Try to run it out some. And we haven't tuned on it at all. All we've done is play with the idle a little bit. Haven't touched anything from the factory FST settings. We may end up doing that a little bit, but right now I just want to let it run a little bit, drive it some, see how it does, and then we'll go from there. But I'm super happy with this carburetor. This thing is really nice looking. It seems to run pretty good, and I think it's going to be pretty fast. We really haven't got the chance to really open it up much. It was raining the other night and dark, so it was, really couldn't do much with it, just because this thing just spins everywhere you want to go. So now it's pretty dry. It is cold. Tires will be cold. Asphalt will be cold, but we'll make it work.
time to get out and play. AMSOIL delivers the ultimate protection for your vehicles and equipment. Fast, free shipping right to your door. Spend $100 and shipping is on us. Order now at AMSOIL.com.